Hi boys and girls, it's me, and I'm currently driving my car, and Miss RW is manning the camera. We are on our way. It's early Saturday morning, about almost 8 o'clock, and we're going to JD Auctions, an auction that they're going to be having in Jackson Township, New Jersey. We've never been to this before. We have no idea what's going on, but I think that since it's kind of in the middle of winter time for most, if not all of us, and some areas of the country are really experiencing some bad weather, I think this would be just kind of fun and give you a chance to see what some of the things are going to be auctioned off, and I'll try to do some of the highlights and stuff. But Miss RW and I are going to be pretty busy doing a lot of things and helping out with this auction, so I'll do as much videoing of it as I can so you guys can get an idea of the things going on. So we'll catch up you when we get there. So see you in a little bit. Bye.
Oh, okay, right. And then, lot number and auction it off. Yeah.
Then I know. That's, I mean, that kind of.
Here. This gentleman here is gonna be in charge. You're gonna be around. You're gonna pick things up, load them onto carts, and haul the carts up to the front, offload it, we'll auction it off, and then put it back on the board. That's up to this gentleman.
That's how long it takes. One item at a time is starting the auction.
Yes. Well, so. Yeah, as soon as Darren's hey.
Well, not the ramp, but the road anyway.
Let's try again.
That's the road to ruin. Well, I have my business. Hey, Darren, when you have a minute, we need to take the backs off this thing.
Yeah, that's a 40,000 dash car. But it goes under another number also. This is the M, which is missing. This is at 71.
How come you're doing the work today, Sharon? The camera work?
Too far away from the other man.
No, it's another 20 minutes down the road.
My GPS took me on a crazy thing through Quakertown, 313, 426 Pine Street. It was a great route, actually.
Yeah, so.
Ladies and gentlemen, there are complimentary bagels and coffee over in the corner by the bar for those who are interested. In addition, if you need to use the bathroom is to my left over here. If you need to use the bathroom, it's through the door to my left under the exit sign.
But, yeah, there's extra, there's bagels and coffee up there.
I'm missing a couple of numbers on my sheet.
Remember these, this is the door.
Hold hold up the literature. So you're getting this Ding Dong School record player. Phil, hold up the slide-o-matic. You're getting the slide-o-matic, and you're getting all the literature. So you got a whole display for your radio or your record player room. So all one money.
Okay, how about $50 to start off Old Ding Dong School? $50 I have, 50 looking for 55. 55 I have now 60. 60 I have now 65. 65 I have now 70. 70 I have now 75. 75 now 80. 80 now 85. 85 now 90. 90 now 95. 95 now 100. 100 now 110. 100 looking at 110. I have 110 looking for 120. 110, 120, 130, 140. 140, 150, Frank? 150, 150 I have now 160. 160 now 170. 160 looking for 170. 170 looking for 180. Now looking for 190. 180 looking for 190. Now 200. 200 I have now 210. 200 I have now 210. 200 going once, 200 going twice, 200 sold, number 118. Okay, we have lot 44-18. We have 5 5881s. 5881s, 5 of them. It's a 6.
All right, $20 to start it out. 20 on the twos. $20?
Yep.
Yeah, $20. I have $20.
Yeah, okay.
Now I'm looking for 25. 20 I have looking for 25.
Okay.
30. 35. 40. 40. All right. 50. 45 looking for 50. 45 looking for 50. All in all done, sold $45. Number 32.
These have a history. These speakers were housed in RCA Labs at one time. Okay?
And they actually at one point were in the museum room at Sarnoff. And Dr. Alex was using them as podiums to display
And
music.
they are working, and they belong to a member of the Sarnoff family. Okay, we're going to start them off at $1,000. Anybody going to bid $1,000 on the LC ones? I have $1,000 in the back. Yes, sir? $1,000? 1,000 looking for 1,100. 1,000 looking for 1,100. 1,000 looking for 1,100. $1,000 looking 1,100 I have. 11 now 12. 11 now 12 I have now 13. 13 now 14. 14 now 15. 15 now 16. 16 now 17. 16 looking for 17. $1,600. 1,700. 17 looking for 18. 18 now 19. 18 now 19. 1,800 looking for 19. 1,900 now $2,000. 2,000 looking for 2,100. 2,000 looking for 21. 2,000 looking for 21. 21 looking for 22. 21 looking for 22. 21 looking for 22. 22 looking for 23. 22 looking for 23. $2,200 looking for 23. 23 looking for 24. 23 looking for 24. 23 going once. 24. 24 looking for 25. 25 looking for 26. 25 looking for 26. 2,500 going once. Yes. 26. 26 now 27 in the back. Yes, sir. 27 looking for 28. $2,700 looking for 28. 28 now looking for 29. 28 looking for 29. 28 looking for 29. 29 now 3,000 looking for $3,000. 29 looking for 3,000. 29 looking for 3,000. 29 going once. 29 going $3,000 up front. 3,000 looking for 3,100. 3,000 looking for 3,100. 3,000 looking for 3,100. 3,100 in the back. Looking for 32. 3,100 looking for 32. 31 going once. 31 going twice. 3,200 in the front. 32 looking for 33. 32 looking for 33. 33 in the back. 33 going once. 33 going twice. Sold $3,300 to number 114.